In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the layout of your app in Glide to make your data look its best. If you find this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to Glide. Once the page loads, click on the Login button. After logging in, open the specific app you wish to edit. On the left sidebar within the Glide editor, find and navigate to the screen where you want to change the layout. Click directly on that screen or tab to bring up its editing options. Now, look to the right sidebar. Under the Style options, you'll see a variety of layouts you can choose from. Glide offers several pre-built layouts including cards, list, table, data grid, checklist, calendar, and Kanban. You can also select a custom layout if none of the others fit perfectly. Each of these layouts drastically changes how your data is presented to your users. For instance, cards are fantastic for content that relies heavily on images, while a list is ideal for displaying structured records or managing a CRM. A table layout is perfect for spreadsheet-like data or administrative views, and a data grid works well for datasets that need to be editable. If you're managing tasks, the checklist layout is your go-to, and for schedules and events, the calendar view is invaluable. Finally, the Kanban layout is excellent for tracking workflows and progress through different statuses. Once you've selected a layout, you'll want to configure how your data appears within it. You might have options to adjust spacing and density, making the information more compact or spread out, depending on your preference. It's always a good idea to preview the layout to see how it looks on both mobile and desktop devices. Click into an item to test that the navigation to the detail screen is working as expected. Feel free to switch between different layouts to compare designs and see what resonates best with your app's purpose. Consider what kind of app you're building. For a CRM, a list or cards layout often works well. A directory might benefit from cards or a tile-based view. If you're creating a dashboard, combining a list with charts can be very effective, and profile pages are best presented with a details layout. After you've chosen your preferred layout, take a moment to double-check all the content displayed to ensure it's accurate and looks as it should. Make any necessary adjustments if needed. Finally, when you're happy with your layout and content, click the Published button in the top right corner of the screen to make your changes live. Thanks for watching. If you found this Glide tutorial helpful, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more step-by-step app building guides. See you in the next video.